Who is the author of the novel The Help? Catherine Stockett. Who is the author of the book Black Beauty, the autobiography of a horse? Anna Sewell. Who is the author of the science fiction novel Dune? Frank Herbert. The Famous Five is a series of children's adventure novels written by which author? Enid Blyton. Which novel is written by Charles Dickens? David Copperfield. Who wrote the novel Jaws? Peter Benchley. The English Patient is a novel by which author? Michael Ondaatje. Who is the author of the book Jonathan Livingston Seagull? Richard Bach. Jumanji is a fantasy children's picture book by Chris Van Allsburg. Who is the author of the book The Secret Life of Bees? Sue Monk Kidd. Who wrote the book Winnie the Pooh? A. Milner. Who wrote the novel Little Women? Louisa May Alcott. Who is the author of the novel Uncle Tom's Cabin? Harriet Beecher Stowe. Who is the author of the novel The Princess Bride? William Goldman. Which one of the below is not a novel by Arthur Koestler? The Green Mile. Who is the author of the novel The Lord of the Rings? J.R.R. Tolkien. Which is the first of the 3 volumes in The Lord of the Rings? The Fellowship of the Ring. The Tale of Peter Rabbit is a children's book written by Beatrix Potter. Who is the author of the book Pakistan the Gathering Storm? Benazir Bhutto. Who wrote the book Rights of Man? Thomas Paine. Who is the author of the short story The Selfish Giant? Oscar Wilde. Who wrote the children's novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Roald Dahl. The Sound and the Fury is a novel by which author? William Faulkner. Who is the author of the book Mein Kampf? Adolf Hitler. Who is the author of the novel The Merry Adventures of Robin Hood of Great Renown in Nottinghamshire? Howard Pyle.